Hello guys, welcome to today's video by Trust Stanley at TS Tech Talks videos. In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to make your account more secure from random people. Recently a lot of people have been adding me to some groups because they have my contacts, so they just open up a contact group, a WhatsApp group, and then add people at random because they have their contact. But most of them, I don't even really have their contacts. I'll be like, okay, who added me to this group? Please, what is the group all about? So in this video guys, I'm going to show you guys how to make your WhatsApp account more secure from random people, from people adding you randomly to groups. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to actually make your WhatsApp a bit secure from people adding you randomly to WhatsApp group. So now all you need to do is open your WhatsApp. Actually, I'm going to be making use of this WhatsApp business, but it's the same thing with your WhatsApp anyway. So click on your WhatsApp business, and actually once you open your WhatsApp business, this is actually where it brings you to. So to make these settings, click on this three dotted icon right here, and next you notice where it says settings, click on the settings and go ahead and click on accounts. You notice privacy right there, click on that and scroll right down. You notice where it says group, go ahead and click on groups. So on this section it says who can add you to who can add me to groups. Right now it's set on everybody, so everybody can automatically add you to groups, meaning even though they are random people, so far they have your contact, they'll be able to add you to groups. But how about you want it to be limited to only my contacts? If you select this particular option, what it's going to do is this: anybody that is not in your contact list, they will not be able to add you. So that is what it does. So if you try to add anybody that is not in your contact list, they will not be able to have this particular option. And if you choose this other option right here, you can choose accept these people. So only these two people will be able to add you to groups if you want this option to be selected. I think this will be fine if you want to limit your privacy to only two people. So it's also very cool if you want this option. Now you can notice it exclude those two people to add it to WhatsApp group. So only those two people that will be able to add it to WhatsApp group if you choose that option. But if you want it to be more broad, a little bit more broad, you can choose on my contacts. So once you're done, just click on done. That it's going to be saved, and this same settings actually goes with your WhatsApp business right there. With your normal WhatsApp, click on this three dotted icon, settings, click on accounts. Now locate privacy, swipe down a little and click on groups. So it has the same settings, right? So you can choose any of the one you want and click on done once you're okay. So I'm going to try to create a group right now. I'm going to go to a different device and a different number and create a group and try to add people randomly again to the WhatsApp group, and you'll see the reaction that I'll get. Let me show you guys. So on the other phone, I've done these settings. Now I'm going to try to add them to a group so that I'll see the reaction I get by trying to do this. So I'm going to click on this three dotted icon, and then I'm going to say new group, and now I'm going to add people at random, and I'm going to go to that particular contact. Actually, I think this is the contact I did the setting on. So I'm going to click on forward, and I'm going to give it a group name and say, and then click on this three dotted icon, add a group icon. This is not relevant anyway, but I'm just adding it just for a purpose. Now you can notice where it says could not add G1 YouTuber. You can invite them privately to join the group. Now this particular reason is because I set this account to be secure from people adding the group, like I mentioned. So all you need to do to have this person to join the group is to click on invite to group. So just leave a unique message you want to send to this person and just send it. So once you click on this area right here, you can notice it has the name of the guy saying invite, right? So on the other person's end, let me show you guys what it looks like, guys. So I've done that already, and from other device, this is how it looked like. So Once I send the person a message, this is what he will see. Once I create the group, this is what the person will see, that there is a group invite. And then when I tap on that particular message, this is what the person will also see: invitation to join my group. And if the person didn't accept, if the person just like block the contact or add the contact or delete this particular notification, they won't be able to join. But once he taps on join group, he will be able to join the group. So it's as simple as that. That is all for this video. It makes your account more secure from people adding you randomly to groups. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. If not, just wait for my next video. Actually, I'll be making more video for you guys. And please do share this video with your friends if it was helpful. I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Please stay home, guys, and stay safe. Peace.